Do you want to build a custom home, but you're not sure where to start with your lot search? Well, that's why I'm here to tell you about the 4 things that we look for in a custom home lot. We use an acronym called TUTS, T-U-T-S, and today we're going to jump into that to talk more about each one of those letters. First letter in our acronym, TUTS, is going to be T for topography or terrain. This lot is the perfect one to look at. We've got definitely some bumpy and rocky terrain, which is very common for this Texas hill country. And we've got a little bit of gradual slope down the lot, but really what we're concerned about is there's a rock outcropping about 2/3 of the way back on the lot that we want to try to keep the house in front of. That'll really help us keep a level foundation for the most part, keep our foundation costs down, and help the house sit as level or flat as possible. Second letter in our acronym is U for utilities. Right away on this front corner of the lot, we can tell that we've got sewer right here, and then we've got an electric transformer right behind it. So we've got electric and sewer right here on this corner. And then the other corner of the lot, we've got electric pedestal, water meter, and then we've also got fiber coming underneath the street. So we've got all of our necessary utilities at the corners of this lot, which is really helpful because there's a house built to the right and a house already built to the left. So we're sandwiched right in the middle with utilities on both sides. The other thing that we have to bring to the lot is going to be propane, which is our gas source out here. And that's just something that we have to put on our homes out here in Horseshoe Bay. Third letter in our TUTS acronym is going to be T for trees. As you can tell, I'm standing here pretty much in the middle of the lot. We've got trees flagged off with these pink flags. This is all from the surveying company, just marking out where these trees fall on the lot so that we can get a site plan going and know exactly where our house fits best on this lot. Now, there's some beautiful oak trees out here. Unfortunately, most of these are going to fall underneath the house footprint because they're right in the middle of the lot. So we're going to do our best to work around as many as we can, but we're also going to have to clear several of them out. There's also some cedars and some other trees in here and some bushes and some shrubs that we're going to have to take out. The fourth and final letter in our acronym, TUTS, is going to be an S for special features, or that could also be size for some people if size is a special feature. On this particular lot, we've got a beautiful view of Lake LBJ and the magnificent Horseshoe Bay Resort. That's definitely the special feature on this lot. But other special features could be golf course frontage, lake frontage or water frontage, acreage, size, all that kind of stuff. Anything that would be a special selling feature, different than your standard run-of-the-mill lot. That always helps, and that's something that we look for if we can find it in a lot. So hopefully this TUTS acronym will help you with your lot search for your custom home. Follow along for more custom home insights.